Oh my God, Grace! Look at this! Arrived! My life is officially complete. Sarah, your bank account had literally $45 in it yesterday. Did you sell a kidney or something? Modern problems require modern solutions, girl. I got it on Afterpay. It only cost me $50. $50? For a genuine designer leather jacket? Are you out of your mind? Yes! 4 easy payments of $50. Technically, I only spent $50 today. Future Sarah will handle the rest. Future Sarah hates you, and she is actively planning your downfall as we speak. Welcome to the BNPL delusion, guys, where everything feels free. See, BNPL companies use a psychological trick on your brain called the micro-pain of paying. Micro-pain? When I spend $200 all at once, it's not micro, it's a full-on emotional attack. Exactly. When your brain sees $200, it screams, stop. But when it sees 50, it goes, oh, that's cheap, buy it. I'm literally hacking my own psychology. Call me a financial prodigy. You're not a prodigy, Sarah, because you don't just do this for, you split everything. Last week, it was a $40 skincare set. Before that, $80 sneakers. And yesterday's concert ticket, $50 for the jacket, $10 for skincare, $20 for sneakers, and $15 for the... Wait, my calculator app is saying this adds up to $95 coming out of my account every 2 weeks? Wait, is $50 really that much? Bingo! $50 sounds tiny, but when all these micropayments stack up, your bank account goes broke. Oh my God, Grace, I just got an alert. Auto draft failed. Insufficient funds. And there it is, the real business model. One missed payment equals brutal late fees. It's completely legal, Sarah. And if you keep missing payments, they send your account to a collections agency. Collections? Like the scary people who come to your house and repossess your couch? Worse, they won't take your couch, but they will completely trash your credit score. Wait, what does my credit score have to do with my jacket? I just wanted to look cute. In the US, bad credit means no apartment approval, insane interest on car loans, and landlords rejecting you instantly. So, my $200 jacket is gonna make me homeless? It's giving beautiful but deadly. Look, BNPL isn't either actual emergencies, like your laptop dying before finals, not for impulse shopping. Next time, use the 24-hour rule. Leave it in your cart for a day. If you still want it and can pay full price, buy it. Fine. Goodbye, impulse buying. From now on, if I can't buy it twice in cash, I'm not buying it at all. Oh wait, Grace, Shein has a flash sale. It's literally a $5 top. Sarah! Do not touch that screen.